Hey guys, welcome to another video from 88 Rotors Off-Road. Today we'll be working on this Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. Do you have a TRD Pro and you're wondering how to fit 35s on it? Well, this is what we do to install 35 by 12.5 tires on the Tundra TRD Pro. We would have to trim the front fender liner, do a body mount chop, install a 1-inch lift shim on top of the factory TRD Pro suspension that we would like to retain, and add a 1-inch rear lift shackle to clear 35s all around and keep the truck leveled. Here's an 8-inch Tundra TRD Pro lift. Want to see the full video of it? Check out our channel. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That way you won't miss any of our future videos.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave escape, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
I apologize that I didn't get a chance to record installation of the shim or the shackle, but this is with it installed already. If you need this service done to your truck, please give us a call. If you want to see better details of this project, we do have other videos in our channel that you can view. As you can see here, it is 1 inch higher than the factory TRD Pro. It's a little bit hard to see in the video, but this is now ready for a set of 35 by 12.5 tires.